track day video. Currently on the way to Brands Hatch in a pretty painful drive. The weather's quite bad. According to the forecast, it's going to get better once we get to Brands Hatch. I'm not really worried about the weather, it's more just people's driving is horrendous. Just because it's raining, we're on a 4-lane motorway, all everyone needs to do is drive straight at constant speed. No real need to brake, just hang back, leave the gap, use the throttle to slow yourself down, just lift off.
Well, that was my first session on Brands GP. Sorry to everyone who thinks I was being a bit of a girl, but I was quite nervous, to be honest. It's quite slippery, and obviously I don't want to crash my car, but it was good fun. And hopefully it'll dry out a bit more and I'll be able to build a bit more confidence. Fingers crossed.
Fly around everywhere. I found some billet seat rails for 90 quid on eBay. It's like a really distinctive noise, isn't it?
Coming into a lot of traffic. That's right.
Hey, look at that! I could be out there today. I tell you what, there's not much difference between this and my V8. It's only halfway down the straight I catch it.
Really?
Yeah, initial acceleration, you're so heavy, you know.
I felt like I was turning into earlier.
roll speed. That's it. Roll, 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 roll. Keep turning, keep turning. Now go.
I feel like I'm turning for too long though.
That's fine. That's just the type of corner it is. You just
Waiting.
So that's it. So you turn in. Then now you want to be full throttle and release. So just trail brake in. So not so hard initially. Trail it in. That's it. Now go. Pick the power. Go, 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 go. Full throttle and release the steering. That's it. Turn in a bit earlier, that's it, get it hit with it and then go. You feel the car jacking. Nah, you'll be alright, inside curbs are fine. That's it, now go on, pick the throttle up and then release the steering, let it go. That's it. You can go full throttle as long as you're releasing. Try not to keep pushing like that, just try and bleed. I know it's, what you don't want to do is overslow the car in the middle.
It's just knowing when it's going to stop, isn't it?
If you were going to stop, you're fine. Just keep bleeding and just extend your braking point, if that makes sense. So bleed, that's it. Bleed a bit more, get it turned, and then go. Brake as hard, that's it, and just bleed it all the way in, that's it. And then as soon as you get to here, now go, on the gas, and then release the steering, that's it. What you're trying to do is keep momentum up, not kill the car.
It's making me fucking fast.
To get more confident, mate. Leave it in fourth here.
What's he doing?
Don't know. Going slow. It's just fast in a straight line, I think that's the trouble.
It's funny you're even catching people on a cool down lap.
Isn't it? I like this car. Makes a nice noise.
It's a good car for me to learn in, isn't it?
It's no slower than my V8 in reality, I don't think. You know, the V8's got a bit more mid-range shove, but coming out of the bends, because this is so light, I didn't really start catching it until halfway down the straight this morning. God! Taking my life in my hands. You need a fucking airbox for this. Imagine the noise then, Sam. It does feel really nicely balanced. Feels it straight away, doesn't it? Feels like it's got grip. All that fucking camber you've got on it. I think it's unfair, to be honest. Do you reckon that car's Italian? Straight in, look. Hugs. That's what I was trying to do, badly. Come on, Sam! Come on! There's a bit, for sure. Especially when you get up the higher end stuff, isn't it? SMG gearbox works really well. A bit clunky on the way up, innit? But on the way down it's quite nice. That's right. I tell you what, it does sound. The engine sounds sweet as a fucking nut. Doesn't it? That, Sam. Nice and late. I think you're braking later than me there. I need to grow some balls. Yeah, it feels really nice, Sam.
It's predictable. It's just a bit weird in the wet, but that might just be that toe.
Yeah, I think so.
But like then in the dry, that's fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's no. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that's the end of my sessions in the track day. I'm low on fuel and there's only 20 minutes left, so that's the end. The guys are still out at the moment. The car has performed faultlessly again, which is a bit dirty. I've enjoyed the day. The yellow stuff pads, which have been given to try from EBC, worked really well. I'm happy with them. There's a lot more feel on the brake pedal than the RP1 pads, so yeah, it's a good day. Really like the circuit, I've never been here before, so it's nice to learn a new track and enjoy it with my buddies. It was quite scary in the wet, damp conditions this morning, but I went round and round, got some laps in before it dried,
and then when it dried, started to progress confidence a bit more. The car feels really good again. The setup is mega, so I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to sign off. Thanks a lot. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Hope to see you soon again. Another track day. Give this girl a wash.